In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove TunnelBear VPN program on your Windows computer or laptop. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go ahead and open Control Panel, and from here, we shall be able to do this. However, if you can't see Control Panel, then head over to your Start menu and then search for Control Panel, and here it is. I'll click on it. And once your control panel has opened, go ahead and look for programs and features. Now this will list all the programs that are running on your Windows computer. From this list, scroll down and find TunnelBear, and you can see it is here. To uninstall or remove it, just click on it, and you should see on top here we have an option to uninstall this program. So by clicking on uninstall, confirm by choosing yes, and now the uninstallation process will be initiated. Here, go ahead and click on uninstall to remove TunnelBear with its files from the root. However, you have to note that if the program is already running on your computer, you will not be able to uninstall it. You need to go ahead and close TunnelBear program for you to uninstall this program. So now if I proceed, I'll go ahead and uninstall it. And here I'll be required to restart my computer for these files to be uninstalled. So proceed and tap on restart, and by doing so, the computer will restart with all the files from this TunnelBear VPN removed. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.